Hey everyone, Professor Bowne here. So the theme for this, the writing course is, of course we're going to learn writing, but the idea is the idea of metamorphoses, right? Is the idea of transformation. And what's interesting is the Greek word psyche is psyche, and it's fascinating because it means both soul and butterfly. And the original Greek meant breath or life force. So it's like the animating principle that leaves the body at death. So over time it became standard for the word soul. And we oftentimes think of the butterfly in poetic and folk traditions because of the transformation. And I see this transformation every single day because I have the caterpillars. Just this morning I saw a cocoon phase, which I have a picture, and then of course the wing being mirrored, the idea of the soul's release from the body. Now I love that idea of being in that cocoon phase because you're isolated, you're alone, and you're not eating, and you're not flying. You're really suspended underneath the milkweed, and you're very vulnerable, right? You're just like, it's kind of like, wow, you're just in there, and I'm looking at this, the phase of this, and I'm like, oh my goodness, it's like you're just really vulnerable, just hanging there in the wild. And in mythology, Psyche is the mortal woman who rivaled Aphrodite's beauty, and Aphrodite was like, no one even go to my temple anymore because everyone's like thinks Psyche is great, So she eventually becomes the lover and later wife of Eros, Cupid. And in art, Psyche is often depicted with butterfly wings as the soul of the butterfly. We also have the idea of the phoenix, which, if you know Harry Potter, is a big part of the immortality, the resurrection, and the transcendence of the butterfly as a symbol. And when we see a butterfly flitting away, it's easy enough for me, or a lot of people, to see as the soul fluttering free after death. So in Christian tradition is the idea of rebirth, resurrection, and the human spirit. So for this class, I want you to think of